Okay, so I was gonna put a splash screen on iOS devices and I need to edit all of these pictures, so I'm gonna start editing. I just opened up Photoshop. Where is it? Ah, it's opening up. So let's see how much time would it take. It's already 10:22 p.m. and I'm gonna start right now, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. Okay, so I just want to show you what I was doing. I just figured out how to do this. So I would take this. Now there may be some shortcuts, but this is what I'm doing. So I'm going to drain a rectangle. I have copied the fill, so I'm going to paste the fill, and I need to remove the stroke. I have a black stroke over there. I need to remove it. Control T, and I'm gonna move it over there. Gonna move it like that. And then after that, what I'm gonna do, oh come on, what I'm gonna do, actually I can go over here, maybe, yeah, okay, then what I can do is I can get this. I just made this in Photoshop. I'm gonna do that. What is this? This is iPad mini. So iPad mini, that size for an iPad mini is, I think, good enough. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. A little bit big. Oh no, what just happened? So the anchor point is weirdly placed. This is weird. Control T. Yeah, now it's looking good. So I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. That seems good. Save it. Before saving it, I need to merge layers. Save. Now I am gonna go on to this one. Gonna do the exact same thing. Gonna close that. So okay, I need to find the keyboard shortcut for this, which is, I can't see that properly. Is that U? Okay, yeah. So now if I press U, draw, right click, paste, Control T, and I move it to top right, and I move it, get it so that it fills everything. Now, wow, what is the keyboard shortcut for this? Is it V? V? Yeah, nice. So, oh, come on. Hello? Okay, now I get this, and I put it. What is this? This is an iPad Pro. Maybe that much for an iPad Pro is good enough. So, gonna merge the layers and save. Gonna do the same for all, and yes, I'm gonna meet you later. Right click, paste, Control T, and oh, okay, V, and yeah, I need to do this really quickly. So save. Oh, come on, I need to merge. And yes, I'm gonna be back soon after editing all of these pictures. So yes. Oh my god, and look, I finally did it. It's 10:59 p.m. and I edited all of these pictures manually, individually, and boom, I have all the different sizes with the gradient and the logo. And now, what I'm gonna do next, it's pretty interesting. And with that, अब जस्तै पुरानो CSIT21 मा के हुन्थ्यो भन्दाखेरि मैले खोल्दाखेरि त्यहाँ झटक्क ब्ल्याक स्क्रिन आउँथ्यो हैन, झटक्क व्हाइट ब्ल्याक आउँछ। अहिले नयाँ मैले त्यो फोटो हालिसकेपछि के हुन्छ, CSIT21 खोल्दा टक्क लाएर कति छिटो लोड हुन्छ, यस्तो खालको ठ्याक्क ला अघि नै मैले बनाएको फोटो आउँछ। नाइस, यतिवटा गर्नलाई के मात्र गरे है। Okay, thank you so much for watching, and अब म भिडियोलाई हैन राम्ररी बनाएर एडिट गरेर पठाउँछु। बाइ बाइ, गुड नाइट। म सुत्न ढिलो हुन्छ आज।